How's it going, guys? Good old boy Stephen Gimme back with you. I'm gonna show you how to make your truck a little bit louder. What you want is you want one of these nice saws-off, and you want to come over here, right up under your truck, and you want to give her a cut right on the muffler.
Give her a cut.
And you want to come over here after it's all cut up and done. Oh, pull it, bad boy, out of here. And now I'm going to show you how much louder she is.
Give her a rev. You ain't got the battery charger on it.
Oh yeah, I need to give her a charge. Give her a charge now.
It's got too much power.
She's got too much power now. Get this good old boy snap-on box right here. These things are good things to have.
Give her a pop. Give her a pop.
Black one, we're gonna put it on this one. Right there. You guys ready for this? Now this is how you make your truck a little bit louder.
Give her a rev.
Should I rev it?
Give her a good one.
Give her a rev.
Give her a rev. Oh yeah, now give her a rev.
Sound good?
Sounds good. That's a rev. That's a rev.
That's nice.
That is a rev.
That is nice.
That is a rev.
Now that's how you make your truck louder.